Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. How you doing today? So you already know today's video, it's all about bridesmaids makeup, and this video is pretty much self-explanatory. I did everything from start to finish. I hit the nail on the head. We dot our I's and crossed our T's, like everything you need to know about bridesmaids makeup is right here in this video. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep watching. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you ended up liking it, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you get notifications when I have new videos up. Okay, all right, let's get into this video. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby. Yeah. We should breathe slow. 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 So guys, I wanted to ask, how many of you have played the role of a bridesmaid before, for like a bride or your sister or your auntie or somebody that you didn't know? I know that stuff happens these days, like somebody just reach out to you and be like, oh, my sister is getting married and she needs bridesmaids, will you be free? Like, can you please join the bridal train or something? And then you're like, oh, okay, cool. And then they tell you you have to pay 20,000 for the dress that you guys will be wearing, and you'd be like, what? But it's not usually free, you guys. Like, you know, like it's not free. You have to pay, except they are paying for it. The bride's like, oh, don't worry, your dresses, your earrings and your shoes are all paid for, just come and fit your dress and then you're good to go. That is like super slick, man. I'm up for that anytime, any day. But the fact that you have to pay, and then the point where the makeup artist, the bride is like, so I have a makeup artist that's coming to do my makeup and to do your makeup. And in cases where you don't know who the makeup artist is and you're not sure exactly what kind of look they'll be creating, like you don't know if it's going to be like, oh, super cute or not, you can definitely benefit from this video. Like, you just watch this video and see simple steps to create like simple eyeshadows, because if you ended up not liking the makeup artist's work, you will not be stranded, like you'll be like, I don't even know what to do. You will know what to do by the time you finish watching this video. Like, you will just do your makeup by yourself, like real quickly. And don't make that habit of leaving your makeup at home because they told you that there's a makeup artist that will be at the hotel to do your makeup. Don't make that mistake. Like, carry your makeup just in case, put it in your bag just in case there is an emergency or there's something you need to do, or even to help the bride, you know, like things like that might just arise. So get your makeup, put it in your bag, and just watch out. So if you ended up not liking the makeup artist's work, you can just jump right into your makeup and do your thing yourself, because it's better to do what you know, stick with what you know, than go and do something else and at the end of the day you don't like any of your pictures because your makeup is looking, you know, one. The best thing is do it yourself. That's the essence of this video. I know a lot of people be like, so what if I can't do it? Yeah, you can also book an appointment with your own makeup artist in your city. What if it's not your city? Definitely Instagram is there. You can just go and search for best makeup artists in that city and then book an appointment with them. They can definitely come to the hotel to make you, or you can go to their studio and do your makeup there. It's pretty much easy. Like, you have options. You can either do it yourself, book a makeup artist, or you can also rely on the makeup artist, the bride is bringing, if they assured you that the person is really good. You get? So yeah, that's it. I really love weddings. I don't know about you guys. I love weddings. The bridal shower is always fun, and then the main wedding itself, like there's food, the people, the color, the dance, everything is just amazing. The DJ, like, oh my god, I love weddings, literally. So that's the essence of this video, you guys. Like, if you cannot do it yourself, get a makeup artist. If you can do it yourself, then watch this video to get like simple tutorials on how to just slay your makeup, and you'll be looking so pink, and you'll be ready for church even before the bride's there. And or if you're going for a court wedding or before the reception, your makeup will still be looking super tight, guys. So for this look, I'll be using just one eyeshadow palette. It's as simple as it can get, and I'm already picking up that orange shade, and I'll be applying it from the outer corners of my eye into the inner corners of my eye and blending these colors together in a circular motion. I'm using a fluffy brush, like it's a blending brush. You cannot use a stiff brush to achieve this, you guys. You have to get you a small blending brush like this for precision. And I'll be picking up a deeper shade of that same orange, and I'll be focusing it on the outer corners of my eye just to create a little bit of depth, as you can see right there. And I'll be picking up some eyeshadow primer just to cut my crease about halfway and just spreading it all over. And I'll be picking up another shade from that same eyeshadow palette.
I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow.
So guys, I learned that fixing lashes are the hardest thing for some people, but I don't think it is, guys. Like, I feel like if you master this process, you would be able to do it anytime, any day, without running into any problems at all. And I also have a tutorial of how to fix your lashes on my Instagram page, so if you follow me, you definitely see that video right there. And now I'm dusting off the excess powder underneath my eyes. Now I'll be using that same eyeshadow color I used on my crease to blend it. Just add some color underneath my eye area. Now I'm using another mascara. This one is the Zara Cosmetics Lashed Out Mascara. It's so precise, like it's perfect for your bottom lashes, and this is a great way of opening your eyes, especially when you have small eyes. When you do this step, your eyes seem like they're a little bit bigger, and it's just super cute. You see the result after I'm done. Like, you definitely want to do this after each makeup process, you guys. Look at that. And you already know I always spray my beauty blender and use it to press my face just to diffuse all of that powder and cakiness, so my face is looking like skin even though I have makeup on. And I'm following that up with my sleek blush. It's so beautiful. I'm really going for this rosy sort of look, and I want the blush to actually match my eyes so everything complements each other. Yet, see, I'm looking like a baby girl. Oh. Guys, please give this video a huge thumbs up. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please help move this ministry forward. We're almost at 200 subscribers. Please subscribe and share the link with your friends. Have them come on here and watch this video. That will make me super happy. Thank you guys so much. Guys, sorry about this part. I didn't know the camera wasn't recording when I was applying the lipstick all over my lips. This one is from Jordana Cosmetics. It's their currant jam. It's so beautiful. I thought the lip was too bold and I wanted to sort of like tone it down a bit, so I added a nude lipstick in the middle and I blended it into it, and then it's looking like this. I love it. And I went back in with the currant jam just to create a more ombre effect, you know, just to deepen the outer corners of my lips a bit. And I just blend the lip back and forth, and I got this, and I feel like this is so beautiful. And I'm cleaning up the sides of my lip using that same angled brush I use for my brows to pick up just a little bit of concealer and cleaning up the corners of my lips on both sides. And we've come to the end of this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have learned a thing or two from this video, and hopefully when you're playing a bridesmaid, you can definitely know what to do on yourself. And yeah, please give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to this channel, and please comment down below if you have any questions for me. I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.